What's going on? My name is Trey. Today we are at Ride Royal Blue with Gage, Eddie, Sean, a couple other people. Gage just picked up this new unit.
That's fucking heavy.
This thing is like brand new too, ain't it? 2021.
Rip it.
2 years old. Oh, I'll rip it when we get out in the woods. I'm ready.
Way more peppy than I thought it'd be.
Oh yeah, dude.
We just gotta find somewhere to.
It is impressively light, even though Gage makes it look heavy. It has one too many exhaust pipes. A little concerning. It's full length. So that means you gotta pay extra if you want to get an exhaust.
Yeah.
You got a name for it yet? I got old Lewis here. Lewis is like kind of like a guy's name though.
Lewis? I thought it was Lois.
Is it, I guess it could be Lois. Alright, so first ride on 250R 2021. Oh my god. First off, the response is unreal. The throttle response is crazy. First gear is pretty low, just like mine. Mine's an X and it's an 06, so I can't believe how light this thing feels. The worst part about riding in the fall is none of the trails look like they've ever been gone on. So far I'm pretty impressed though. I've ridden newer 250Ls. They're not near as peppy. This thing is peppy as can be. It is pretty stiff though. But that's, I mean, it's an R, man. This is it. This is a motocross bike. The clutch is pretty heavy. You can still do the one finger pull. Probably better to do a 2-finger pull. Oh. But this is the best thing about it right here. Push to start, boy. That was a much better line.
Holy.
That was, dude, it's slick as can be with all these leaves, ain't it?
Oh, I'm already tired.
Yeah. I'm sweating my ass off.
That thing's like night and day from this thing.
Dude, this thing is so light.
I know. It's like scary light.
It is. The front end does not like to stay down.
Exactly.
And the throttle response, it's so instant.
Yeah. Like you get like no
play. Yeah.
You kind of glide into it.
On off, on off.
I wonder if you change the map to soft.
Oh yeah, I didn't even think about that.
Hold the top one for like 2 seconds.
So this has 3 maps.
Yeah, once it blinks twice, 3 times, it's set. That's what YouTube said.
Oh, I hit the rear brake.
Any different?
I don't know. I barely fucking rode it. Oh. I don't think there is any difference. It just goes. Oh my goodness. That's a trench. It doesn't have a kickstand, so that's a bummer. I have to look online and see how much this thing weighs. Not being able to see the trail sucks. So far, as a woods bike, I don't think it's worth buying ways. Not as a woods bike. I think the throttle is too much. I guess I could try it in second gear, but the peppiness of it is definitely for racetrack. I haven't done too much woods riding in a long time after getting the side by side, so.
Fucking deep. This one's a little deeper.
Yeah.
I'm not stuck, but
It smells like shit.
I know.
Oh yeah, headphones in?
Yeah. I really should have brought my quad lock.
Yeah.
It would suck to eat shit though and just lose your phone.
So much pep for a 250. This is wild. They suck?
Dude, they like constantly just come up and smack you in the back of the leg. They need like a strap underneath to keep them from like flapping.
Yeah.
Like when we were going through all those rocks and shit, dude, they were literally just boom, boom, boom.
I keep trying to put the kickstand down on this.
Where are we at?
I don't know. I've been through here before. We're on the, so like the lookout is down this road a little bit farther. That top of the world lookout. Damn.
Yeah, you don't feel them other than that. When you're standing up riding, dude, they're just constantly fucking
Bouncing.
But they got a hook right here. It's on the bottom. Maybe we can take like a bungee cord or something.
Yeah, that motherfucker's leaking oil. I topped it off.
Damn, running the bungee cord would be hard because he's off.
Yeah, I'll look at it real quick. See.
Slow it down.
Yeah. I wonder if there is something for the straps.
Boom.
Huh. Oh my god. He said boom. Yeah, they almost need like a strap down here in the bottom. I guess let's keep heading this way. We'll go that over the world.
Did you like it?
Oh yeah, it's
in the second map?
I think it's a little too peppy.
In the second one?
I didn't change the map.
Yeah, but we put it in 2, didn't we?
Yeah, I guess it's in 2. I'm not sure, dude. It's still peppy as can be though. I think it is fun. It is light as can be.
Light as fuck, dude.
That is crazy.
The front tire's like constantly
Yeah.
away from it.
Oh yeah, when you're going through the corners. Look at this thing. This thing's just straight in oil.
Oh my god.
Dude. I feel like I should have never even fucking touched it, you know?
Swagger down the